Straight Talk Home Internet uses Verizon's 5G network to provide wireless internet. This fixed wireless broadband service delivers internet through radio signals from cell towers without needing wired connections. Drops often happen due to two main issues. First, problems with the signal from the cell tower, such as weak signal strength or obstructions. Second, interference on the channel your router is using, where signals overlap with neighboring devices or towers. The service is reliable for most users, with average uptime over 99% in covered areas. However, drops can persist without manual adjustments like repositioning the router or switching channels. To fix drops, understand how signal strength and channel congestion affect your connection. Signal quality is measured by RSSI, or Received Signal Strength Indicator, and SNR, or Signal-to-Noise Ratio. Ensure line of sight to towers by positioning the router appropriately. Avoid electromagnetic interference from appliances, which can disrupt the wireless signals. If issues persist, try a network reset or SIM card swap to resolve authentication problems. To fix connection drops, first identify nearby towers using apps like Cell Mapper or Straight Talk's diagnostic tools. These apps show tower locations and signal strength in your area. Reposition your router to face the strongest signal tower. Place it near a window or outdoors to maintain clear line of sight to the tower and avoid obstructions. Check your signal strength. If it's weak, below -70 dBm, contact Straight Talk support to request tower prioritization for better connection. Access your router's admin panel at 192.168.1.1 to manually switch channels. Avoid crowded channels like channel 6 on the 2.4 GHz band to reduce interference. After making changes, test your speeds using tools like Ookla Speed Test to confirm improvements in connection stability and speed. FCC Commissioner Brendan Carr noted in a 2025 hearing that fixed wireless services like Straight Talk are bridging the digital divide, but require user vigilance on tower alignment.